Let the pressure out this. Ooh! On my toe. Man, what's going on, good people? Man, we're on my last house of the day. Well, I was on the last house 2 houses ago, but some people saw me in the neighborhood and they was like, hey, can you do mine? I was like, absolutely. Yes, sir, I can. So, on the last one for the day. So, I just got here. Man, I'm gonna let you look at these two. She was out here a few minutes ago talking to me. Yeah, yeah, them bad boys is dirty and stanky, man. She was like, how long is it gonna take you? Like, can I come back in 30 minutes and check out? 30 minutes? What? How long you think I'm gonna be here? I'm gonna be in and out. 10 minutes tops. Gone. She was like, well, I got kids in here in the tub, so I was like, well, you better go attend to your kids. I don't want nothing to happen to the kiddos. Then the police ask you what's happening. You be like, I was talking to the trash man. Now go get them kiddos. I'll knock on the door when I'm done. And let's go. Oh, shit. Y'all didn't see that. Nobody saw that but me. Let me spray some of this degrees up in here real quick. Bop. Bop, bop, bop. Boppity boop, bop, bop. And for y'all to be talking about my sprayer all the time, ask me why don't I get a pump sprayer? I'm working on my hand. I'm working on my grip strength, you know? In case I don't know. I always imagine, like, what if something happened while I was out here? You know, I just gotta grab a barrel, something, put it in the head, like, you know, I'm working on my grip strength. It's good for the cataracts. Nah, that's carpal tunnel. Hey, these days, you never know what you might run into, man. Yeah, I know this is inside the city, but stranger things can happen. You might run into a tiger. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. I had to show them this kung fu grip strength. My powers combined. I am trash man. All right. All right. It's alive! Ah! Man, that's nasty. Y'all want to see it? What is that? Is that a turd that fell out? Make sure we don't trip on this no more. Ooh, that baby is clean. Smell like pine saw. Well, I think that's about got it, Georgia. Let the pressure out this. Ooh! On my toe. On my big boy. On my toe. On my big boy. I think my toe gone. Oh, your mommy. I think my toe gone, y'all. I think I blasted my toe off. I need to go home immediately. Anyway, look at that trash can. Oh, that boy clean. So is my goddamn toe. My toe is clean. I power washed it clean on off my foot. I gotta go. Peace.